Hey, it's Jay with MotorcycleDropGuards.com. We're here today with George,
Rick, Curtis,
and Alex.
That's right. I just met these guys today. They came by to pick up some drop guards today. We got them on their bikes, and so we're going to show you the bikes. This is a, what year is this?
2018 CVO Street Glide.
2018. Okay, it's got the drop guards on there. And the next bike is a
2020 Street Glide.
2020 Street Glide. He doesn't have the saddlebag bars on there yet, but he's going to get those. He's got the full kit to take home with him. And the next bike is a
2020 Street Glide.
2020 Street Glide. He's got the lower fairings. He's also got to get the saddlebag bars on there too. These guys are fixing to go take a Ride Like a Pro class out in
Sugarland.
In Sugarland?
Yep.
Okay. When are y'all supposed to take the class?
Saturday.
Saturday. Okay. Any thoughts? Y'all ready to do it? How do you feel about going out there and trying your slow speed skills?
Definitely more confident with the guards on there.
Definitely more
Yeah, you
confident.
can't screw anything up. I mean, it's the only way to do it. I mean, you've got a $30,000-$40,000 bike. Why would you want to risk it? You know, on the price of these guards, it's totally worth it. So I'm not going anywhere without it. Period.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, I appreciate you guys coming out, and I'm behind the camera, so I'm just a voice today. But I appreciate them coming out. You guys came out from
Fairland.
Friendswood.
Pearland, Friendswood, and
Friendswood.
Friendswood. Okay, so that's about what, 45?
Hour and a half.
Hour and a half from here? Okay. Well, that's great. I got to meet you guys. It's awesome when customers come out and want to come by and pick them up, and they're close enough.
Jay's got the best customer service. He even helped Rick put his on. Actually, he put it
Put
on.
them on for me.
Yep. Did it right.
did.
So now we're all set. We're ready to go. So we couldn't be happier than we are now with these drop guards on our bikes.
Well, I appreciate it, guys, and I appreciate your time to swing all the way out here to pick these up and for believing in the drop guards. And I really hope they do you well. And I hope you guys have a great time at Ride Like a Pro training in Sugarland.
Yep. Yes, sir.
And
Well, thank you, by the way, for an amazing product. It should have came a lot sooner. So we've been wanting these for many years.
oh, thank you. I appreciate
Yeah,
that.
absolutely.
Appreciate it. And I want to send a big shout out to the owner of Ride Like a Pro, Jerry Palladino, Jerry Motorman Palladino, and his wife Donna. Donna is a little bitty girl, but she can ride her off on a motorcycle. Trust me, the videos don't do her justice. But they're great people. If you have the chance to go take a Ride Like a Pro class, I encourage you to do it, as these gentlemen are going to be doing here shortly. And y'all are going to come back and show me some skills, right?
We hope to.
Sir.
We will.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll get that on video, and we'll share it with the website and everybody out there. So thanks again, guys, for coming out.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.